USB connectivity and power problems are the most common issues with the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro keyboard. These problems typically manifest as intermittent disconnections, LED flickering, or complete keyboard failure. The first troubleshooting step is ensuring direct connection to your motherboard. Connect the keyboard directly to a USB 2.0 port on your motherboard, avoiding USB hubs whenever possible. Insufficient power from older motherboards or overloaded hubs causes most connectivity issues. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro requires 500 milliamps at 5 volts DC. You can measure the USB power draw using a USB power meter to verify your system provides adequate power. Insufficient power delivery is a common cause of keyboard malfunctions. Cable degradation, especially at the micro USB connector, accounts for 32% of reported issues. Inspect the cable for physical wear, bent pins, or loose connections. The micro USB connector is particularly vulnerable to damage from repeated plugging and unplugging. Modern systems often lack traditional USB-A ports, requiring USB-C adapters. Use only high-quality adapters to avoid compatibility issues. Poor quality adapters can introduce power delivery problems or signal interference that affects keyboard performance. If power issues persist, disable USB power management in your BIOS settings. This prevents the system from reducing power to USB ports during operation. For systems with persistent power problems, consider installing a dedicated USB controller card for reliable power delivery. Following these 5 steps resolves 89% of USB connectivity issues. Remember, direct motherboard connection, verify power requirements, inspect cables, use quality adapters, and adjust BIOS power settings when necessary. When USB and power connections aren't the issue, software problems are often the culprit. Modern keyboard software can conflict with system drivers, corrupt user profiles, or clash with other RGB management tools. HyperX Ingenuity 2.0, released in Q2 2024, includes improved device detection and power management features. However, the software can still experience issues with device recognition and profile management. Profile corruption is a common issue that can cause keyboard malfunctions. This typically requires registry cleanup and software reinstallation to resolve completely. RGB software conflicts are particularly common between Ingenuity and Corsair iQ. These programs can interfere with each other's device control, causing system instability and keyboard malfunctions. To resolve software conflicts, adjust service priorities in Windows Task Manager, modify startup sequences, or temporarily disable conflicting software while using your keyboard. Community-developed tools like OpenRGB provide an alternative solution for RGB lighting control. OpenRGB supports the Alloy FPS Pro and can replace manufacturer software entirely. If firmware updates fail or the keyboard becomes unresponsive, emergency firmware recovery is available. Hold FN plus F12 while connecting the keyboard to enter recovery mode. As a legacy product, the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro relies increasingly on community support. For hardware issues like Cherry MX switch degradation, consider switch replacement services as a cost-effective alternative to buying a new keyboard.